Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, third row seating. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 INFINITI QX60. The INFINITI QX60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the QX60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.